Make money, young nigga. Go out there, make your mama proud, then get the hell out your mama house. Make a milli then buy your mama house. Fake friends always be around, and to me that's what life is all about. Making cash, making mama proud. She my queen and you know I respect the crown. King of the down, king of the drum, so I fuck with the sound. I get the green scream, hallelujah. Thank God, great line of Judah. Forgive my sins, bless me with Muna. Cause you know it's my only true love, and I fuck with the cash 24/7. Cause I came straight out of 057. Here on heaven, became grown man at the age of 11. Brought a bazooka to a pillow fight. Told them say hello to my little friend. Long story short, I ended the night. Double check, I saw no one in sight. Made sure I left no one alive. Therefore, there were no survivors. Yo, underdog got the block hot. I'm kinda McGregor in the octagon. Snacks down, this a smackdown. I knock your ass out just for fun. Cause I don't want no gram, I don't want no Oscar. For the money, I'm a monster. I'm treating the people I love like a sponsor, nigga.
I never bag off, I bounce back. That stuff proceed to the progress. Gotta go on there and get a bag fade, nigga. I ain't put up with the nonsense. Cause I'm off to the top and know I'm on the fort. I can put out the fire, I'm on set. Hell, it's a winter season compared to this, my nigga. Fuck what you all say, nigga. Fuck what you all say. You're no less like Beyonce. I wanna mission, let my mom stay. I wanna Bentley, let my dad. First class, bitch, just to fuck in my free time. First class flights overseas just to have some mean time. In the meantime, I'ma chase these meters and make sure the dream comes to reality. Shout out to D2 Reality Squad. Can't you see you win some other shit? Shout out to D2 Reality Squad. Dream chasers in my circle, bitch. Shout out to D2 Reality Squad. Broke niggas about to get rich.